G'day everyone, Caravan Steve, and I came today to the great Annexe factory outlet here in Brendale to check out this awesome Annexe. But we've got a name for this, don't we, Ronnie?
Mate, this one, Steve, hello viewers, this one is called the Taj Mahal.
The Taj Mahal.
This is the Taj Mahal. Whilst it's not an official name, that's what we've dubbed it. This is one serious setup for these clients that you've got here with the sunset. Mate, it's massive. Would you like to check it out?
Oh, 100%.
All right.
100%.
So,
where do you want to start?
well, I think we start at the front.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so Steve, as we know, the front area is such a used part of the recreational space around a caravan, isn't it?
Exactly.
And we're looking at the beach or we're looking at the river.
We've got bird's eye view, don't we?
Yeah, what are we doing over here, Steve? We're cooking. Right, we've got food going on, haven't we?
Hey, you know when you talk about cooking and food, you know that's me.
Apparently you love food.
Yeah.
Don't know where you put it though. But either way.
Doesn't look like it.
So mate, this is what we call our resort. Okay, so this resort fly is essentially a 3-metre extension or up to 3-metre extension off the front of your van. And as you can see,
3 metre.
Yeah. So it basically comes from your anti-flap kit forward, it comes from a sail track forward, there's a Velcro connector happening here, a 2-inch Velcro connector, really strong in the wind, no chance of coming under. All aluminium powder coated frame. Mate, this thing is a serious unit. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Australian made canvas, stainless steel eyelets, all the good stuff. But what you've got here is this whole front of your caravan, no matter where you're going, into your boxes, into your space,
You're actually protected from
you're
the
undercover.
elements. Yeah.
Absolutely. All your gas bottles are out and you're having a great time, eh? Obviously the rain point's now over that side of the van, and this is what's replacing.
Exactly. I love how it just, the rain just travels over there, so
gets away. Yep. So this is really replacing the need now to lug another gazebo.
That's
right. So a lot of people put 3x3s and maybe 6x3s up in this space. And of course, what happens to those things once the weather gets really strong?
That's correct.
They start collapsing, filling up with water and causing all sorts of problems. So I was at Cotton Tree one year, Steve, and a storm come through in the afternoon, and the amount of gazebos that ended up in the tree was phenomenal, just wrecked. Whereas what you've got here is a proper structure attached to the caravan, plenty of provision to rope it off strong, and you keep yourself undercover and safe.
But it does look very strong, very secure. Like, you had this set up at the show, and I came over, right, and I looked, like, seeing it now, and just, sitting back and just, wow, I'm in awe.
Yeah.
I'm in awe.
Yeah, great, mate.
I'm in awe, and I'm pretty sure Charlie and Susan are going to be in awe
it's
as
one
well.
of those things, Steve, we've always had the ability to do it, but we've never really showcased it. As soon as we started to show it, more people see it and they just go, I want one.
Exactly.
And now they're becoming a really popular line for us, which is great to see. But now we walk straight from this area, Steve, into the main Annexe area, and there's something you'd love to see, mate.
Yes, I love. There we go. Displayed proudly. Nothing better than seeing Australian-made product.
Yeah, mate. Only the good stuff here.
That's exactly right.
So, okay,
So can we go back here? This is what I love too. I've just walked in here. Look at the height here. This is fantastic. So we're not bending down. It's actually very, very tall, mate.
That's a good point. That's a good point. So as you can see at the moment, I might back up here a little bit, is this awning arm, as you'll notice in my advice in the video that I do with you about the awning masterclass, is the strongest place for this awning arm is on the caravan. So if massive wind comes, storms come, like you want your arm up there. But even with your arm on the side, and I'm 6 foot, right? So like I can come through with no real issue. Now, of course, if I walk through here, I'm going to smack it, right? But for the time,
that's maybe doing happy hour.
But the thing is, you can remain strong, you can remain set for all weather, but still be able to come through. And I'm 6 foot. If you've got a little bit less height to worry about, then you may even decide to leave it there full time.
That's right.
But of course, that can stand out and give you full access.
How many times if it's gone out, you probably would have seen it too. You get caught out, a bit of wind gust, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it does. Once you send your leg out, you've got to have great anchorage on it, or else you can lift.
Yep.
So Steve, with our Annexe kits, all the hardware is supplied. So anti-flap kits are supplied, curved rafters are supplied, right? All your poles to stand up the walls are supplied.
Very important to know.
The barbecue porch, the 2 metre extension porch is supplied. The skirt, custom measured, is supplied. The pegs are supplied. I mean, it's not like we sell a bare bones and you've got to then
I was going to say,
keep adding on the extras, right?
Even if, yeah, that's exactly right.
It's a complete kit ready. Basic unit gets you going pretty much for most setups. The extras for us, Steve, come in all the extensions, right? So we just saw the resort, right? The resort's a massive extension going forward. That's an extra. That's not a standard, right? Yeah. But the reason this gets the Taj Mahal title is because it's got the additional extension room on the rear, Steve. So this here is basically another 2 metres or 2.1 metre extension off the back of the Annexe. And this can be absolutely used for whatever reason you need a storage room or a bedroom. Generally a bedroom. So if you're in that, like we are, we've got teenage kids, you know, a couple of years time, well, one's already not really coming with us, we've got one left, but they don't want to be inside the van now. They're out here, okay? So they come out in their own space, they can set up their own space. And the other thing being is that they can come out into a full-size room. So like, even if you had adults staying, adult children, friends or family coming to stay with you in your van, you've got your van 2 bed, like a double bed and ensuite and kitchen, dinette, right? There's no room, nowhere to put an adult or 2 in there. This is where you can do it.
And this is important too, because sometimes, you still want to stay in like a couple's van, like a 2-person van. So this is an ideal idea. Instead of getting a bunk van or something like that, this is perfect. Like you said, because not all teenage kids are not always going to come with us, are they?
No. It's when they hit teenage years is that. 2 things. We're all getting bigger, right? Including them, and you just need your space. And like with little kids, absolutely a bunk van's perfect, right? You won't need to go and put another room on the back. But if you're in that market, if you're in that scenario where you've got teenage kids or you've got adults that you need to house, that you want to come visit, here's your bedroom for them.
That's great.
The cool feature about this also, Steve, is this one's set up currently as the room with the Annexe end wall in place. You can also, the way it's designed is this wall can completely remove without having to take this extension room down.
It just opens up
and then you have one complete Annexe, no divider, right? And if you can then picture that, you've got kids or you've got people or you've got things with plenty of room to set up.
This is going to be the van you want to hang out in,
Yeah, well, I mean, you're going to, and everything's strong, right? Everything's going to take a fair whack before it can drop on you. So
let's just look at this. We've got the extension room here. Look, just come here. I just want to check out how much room we do have here. This is I'm just loving this. We haven't even gone outside yet. We're still here.
We're still here, So you can absolutely see here, like this would have to be around nearly 5 metres long, let's say, in length. Obviously you need a doorway, little corner here. This would be shoes and umbrellas and knickknacks that you want to get away. Of course, with a lot of the vans now, they've got entertainment systems and TV picnic table areas. But I mean, you can leave that up and also get extra people in here.
We can sleep 5 or 6 people here, no?
But this is the thing, right?
This is awesome.
The space is available for the user to use in any which way they need to, and there's so many ways to set up your Annexe. It's unbelievable. But one of the cool features that we have, Steve, I think, on the windows, these large windows on the side, is that they have the ability to completely roll up. Okay, so these 2 here have been fully rolled up today, right? To give you that idea of, you know what, the weather's sensational. We've got all these people in and around the van. We want to enjoy the outdoors. We don't want to close ourselves off to it. Let's open it all up and let's enjoy it.
That's exactly.
And as you can see here, these 6-foot windows that we have, completely rolled up, has become these massive openings. And that's really flexible. Of course, they've got the mid-screen that drop down. Of course, they've got the canvas cover that drops down, right? That's all in play, right? But when the weather's good, mate, give me more of it, right? Up it goes, and you're fully open to the outdoors.
Look at this. Sorry, mate. I'm just in awe. This is wow.
And of course, you can now enjoy what we call the beer garden, Steve. And this is now...
This is for me and you.
Yeah. This is where a lot of stories get told, especially when you're around. But look, this is, again, just another extension feature that you can do. Now, and based on this design aspect of being able to open everything up, mate, you can then be outside, still out of the sun, still good for the skin, not getting burnt, but now you're out immersed in the outdoor surroundings, and you've just got that extra space. So you can think, right, you've got all that space out the front, barbecues, a couple of afternoon tables and chairs, maybe, or a couple of chairs at least, sitting out there. But okay, the family's coming, we're going to do a big lunch or a dinner that night. We'll bring your tables and your chairs. Well, look at this one, Steve. How many people are going to get here? You know, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, probably 12, comfortably in their own camp chairs.
No, but we've still got more space over here, like if need to be, you know what I mean? Like,
through into the annex. Okay, let's sit here now. And well, actual fact, you think of how many you can do a circle in here, Steve. You got 20 people here, and still have room to spread out if you don't want to get a breather. So this is why the Taj Mahal is so impressive, and these are the things you can do. And this is probably a key difference as well. The importers aren't doing this, right? They're going to give you the base wall kit because that's fast money for them, easy money for them, right? That's fine for someone who just wants a base unit. That's not that great, right? Whereas a proper annex builder can start punching all these things out for you and really give you a dream setup.
That's right, and this is a custom-made annex. So this takes time. Like we said before, Ron will come out. He actually measures everything. So nothing is off-the-shelf stuff. This is all pre-manufactured to the van. So, because you said it before, right? Your awning can be 50 mil to the left, 50 mil to the right, okay?
Yes.
And that can throw the whole annex at a whack, basically.
It can. So when you measure a van for what it is, you can get that really tailored fit. However, Steve, I must admit that we're getting really, really good at what we do. Everything is tailor-made, but a lot of these accessories that you see, like the barbecue porch, the beer garden porches, our shade walls we went through on another video, a lot of that is available in standard sizes because awnings come out in standard sizes. So we've geared ourselves up for those typical accessory sizes, but when it comes to the room, we definitely do a measure process so it gets spot on. About yeah, absolutely. Yep. So lots of opportunity, quality gear for your owners to be able to really maximise their outdoor space and maximise their caravanning trip, mate. You know, like,
tell me about it.
Let's face it, you're in there for a sleep and it's up in the morning.
It's like a hotel room, isn't it? You know, that's why we go back to the hotel.
The fun's not in the hotel room most of the time. But you know, point being is that you're in there for a bit. You're in there for the night time and the early morning maybe, but you're not. You're out here during the day, and then this just lets you enjoy yourself to the max.
I love it. Love it. Ronnie, mate, thank you, mate. Thank you for showing us through the Taj Mahal.
Mahal. This one is the Taj Mahal. This one is, you know, it's got every extension going on here. No,
this is very impressive. But if you want to know more with our wonderful family members, you know, give me a call, Caravan Steve on 073888445, or you can send me an email, sales@sunrisecaravans.com.au. Ronnie, on another note, mate, only a couple of weeks left to Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is ramping up. We've been absolutely inundated again this year with orders, and we're working hard. My team is at full capacity.
Love it.
We are running hard for Christmas to get everyone sorted out, but I'm sure we'll get there like we do every year.
Yes, exactly.
There's tears at the moment, but
that's right.
Relatively though, I must say that everything's happening fairly well smoothly. A few misses here and there because of just the manicness of it all, and people's situations changing. But that's Christmas, that's life. But we're here. We're back next year in 23. We've got lots more going on next year. New releases in products. More stock arriving so people can get faster service, and we're really excited for 23. But mate, we thank you for your ongoing support of us, and it's great to work in with good people like yourself. So we look forward to 23. I'm sure we'll continue to provide these awesome products for your customers, and just thanks again, mate. Merry Christmas.
Well, you too. Folks, before I go, please, love to get your feedback on the Taj Mahal. Tell us what was the most impressive bit for you. You know, tell us which room, you know, did it for you. Was it the porch? Was it the resort? Was it the extension room? Was it the beer garden? Love to get your thoughts in the comments, please. But once again, thank you for spending time with Caravan Sleep. Hope you enjoyed the video on the Taj Mahal with Ronnie. And like I always say, you too can follow your dreams with Sunrise Caravans and great annexes.